How's it going, everybody? We're here with a personal box break of 2015 Bowman Baseball. James, Knicks88, good luck. Man, I haven't opened this in a minute. Good luck. Silver paper, Alex Gordon, $4.99. Oops. 37 to $4.99. Tuki Toussaint, top 100. I thought that was a 101 for a second. It looked like a white ice, doesn't it? It's not numbered. Silver ice, Starlin Castro. Scared me for a minute. We got a mini Alex Verdugo. Kyle Zimmer mini. Blue paper, Avery Romero. It's 150. Those diapers, man. We got Carlos Baerga. I don't even know who you guys are talking about. I didn't see the chat. No auto yet. We got a mini, Adrian Rondon. Some of these cards are sticking together. Right as you say that. Bam. Steve Matz. Got security. I have a knife. No, I'm just kidding. I'm parked like a foot outside the window there. Refractor, Matt Andriese, number to $4.99. Yeah, I ride home in an Uber. A samurai sword. All right. Silver ice, Steph Strike. Strike. The hell is this? Blue Wave pack. You got Blue Waves, Tim Barry, Alex Reyes, Chris Stratton, Luis Lugo. Nice. Blue Wave is Manny Tomas right there. That's nice. And base. Mini Jeff Hoffman. Tomas. Dalton Pompey. There it is. Rookie autograph, Dalton Pompey. For the Blue Jays. Right there. Base. Uh-oh, we got an orange. First off, nice Correa. We got an orange refractor. Jose Barrios. That's a nice one. Jose Barrios, 1 out of 25. First round pick right there. Got base. eBay 101. I know, right? I was feeling the Rodon. Then we got CJ Edwards. So there you go. Thank you, James. Appreciate the order. And thanks, everybody, for watching on jaspyshobbin.com.